This is Heather Abbott. She lives in Canada.
Yep, Nova Scotia, Canada.
And I met her at a Collaborate event. Um, Tell me about what you told me at first about your husband that he probably couldn't learn.
He hates dancing. To put it bluntly, he's so uncomfortable when you ask him to dance. So he will, like with me alone, preferably with the lights out. But he did get on a dance floor with me at one point, and he had enough drinks in him. He should have loosened up a tiny bit, but no. I went to reach for his hand, and he just had it stiff at his side, and I was like, okay, we're done.
And that's so typical. That is so typical of most men.
But he picked it up so fast, Melanie. I'm so impressed. The first night we did the It's All in the Knees video, and we practiced for I don't know, half an hour. And by the end of it, he was moving me around the room. I knew where he wanted me to go from his knees.
Was
He
he
were a
excited
little
about it?
sore afterward. Pardon?
Was he excited about it?
Yeah, we're having fun. We're laughing our way through it. Yeah, he's actually enjoying it.
That's great. That's
Yeah, it is. We did the steps. We've like with the pre-work, we've done that. And when it comes to the counting for the steps, he the he doesn't like the hold it for two counts and still saying one count. So if I go one and two and for holding it, it helps him.
yeah,
But otherwise yeah, otherwise he's good. It's just the counting, dance counting is a new way of counting for a lot of people. And
right, right,
yeah, just
right.
to make sure for the weight going on the foot or not
A
going
little
on the
bit
foot.
about him. What's his personality like?
What's um he's not a people person. He has a few people that he really likes. I'm one of them,
I
which
hope
is
so.
why he'll do dancing with me. But as for the general public, he'd much prefer to be alone.
And is he somebody that doesn't like to be um, seen making a mistake? Is he
Yes.
a type A personality? Is
Yes. Yeah.
he an
Yeah.
brain?
If you go to astrology, he's a triple fire. I don't know if that means anything to you, but yeah.
What does that mean? Triple five.
It basically means his sun sign is a fire sign, his moon sign is a fire sign, and his ascendant, his rising sign, is also a fire sign. And those are the three most impactful signs in the zodiac. And fire signs are, yes, they care about how they look. They want to have fun. They have um, they're quick to speak and not always thinking before they speak. So yeah, yeah. Anyone who knows astrology would know what I meant by triple fire sign. So yeah, he's a sweet one. He's not the going to say something nasty and then regret it type. But he's
Yeah.
yeah. It's all about me, I guess, would be the theme song for an Aries.
So I know that the movements in the first module were really simple, but they were designed so that anyone could do them.
Hmm.
And now on the next module, we're going to add rotation. And rotation is like adding the third dimension to a painting.
Okay.
So the idea is to take small steps, don't turn a lot, just follow along and try to, keep it under control and try to keep that same rhythm in the knees going so that you're together
Yep.
and keeping your knees intertwined. And if you can
Okay.
do that and just if it feels like work, just tell him he's taking too big of a step. If it feels like work, it
Okay.
should feel real difficult.
So small steps, small turns.
Yeah, just think about being on a dance floor. Usually, when they play a slow dance,
Yeah.
everybody's on the floor, and it's like you don't even have room to.
Yeah, he would do that with me before, like just the normal like slow dance the way you're just kind of going in a circle.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. But other than that, no. I think honestly, he's going to be a good dancer after this because
How
he's
did you do
picking
on
it up
Gemini?
so well.